Welcome to Xtreme Mech Experts, offer blowers, furnaces, and fabrication services. The company was incorporated in 2008 at Coimbatore. We have spread our wings to Sri Lanka and European countries. Synthite Industries Limited and Robert Bosch Engineering are some of our prestigious clients, and we are backed by easy modes of payment and prompt delivery schedules. We offer a wide assortment of centrifugal blowers, hardening furnaces, and automatic dampers. Dust collectors, belt conveyors, and axial fans are superior in performance. Our bucket elevators, louver dampers, and industrial scrubbers are widely appreciated in the market. We also provide industrial recuperators, stainless steel spares and pneumatic conveying systems that are well known for their durability. We are engaged in offering supreme quality industrial incinerators, truck loaders, and fabrication services that are a class apart. Axial flow fans for cooling and industrial dust collection systems for sugar industry are highly efficient. To get the best deal, log on at www.xtrememech.co.in.